Do you have any question? Then we take breakfast, then again.
Wisdom.
Little wisdom, then again. Harikatha. Mahaprasad, Harikatha, Harikatha, Mahaprasad. Who had question?
Shall I have one question?
Oh, yeah.
In Italy, we saw this Mahaprabhu deity with the hands like this below. Sometimes we see like Mahaprabhu with one hand up and one hand down. So what is the meaning of two hands down?
We are giving to everybody, taking.
Same, giving.
There is the one hand taking, another giving. I had two hands, so we take.
Extra giving.
Extra giving.
Two hands.
Huh?
Mine, they have two hands up.
Then they take it.
Just take
Two hands. He giving blessings. Many symptoms. Good enough. Giving blessings to you. Vrindavan Vihari. Surrender and bless. Huh? Good enough. Yeah. Or anyone? Huh?
How do you know?
आश्रम आश्रम है आश्रम गृहस्थ आश्रम और ब्रह्मचारी आश्रम sometimes thinking गृहस्थ आश्रम good sometimes thinking brahmachari renounced ashram is good so this he cannot take decision take vow yeah no I have to do this and then when the sukriti will mature then automatically go up. Main thing is everything depends on your sukriti. Bhakti is main thing is sukriti. Bhakti is tu bhagavad bhakta sangana parijayate satsang prapade punghi sukriti purva sanchite. Sukriti mature, then you will get the association of sadhu. Or with the association of sadhu, then bhakti devi will manifest. Or when bhakti devi manifests, then you attend to Lord. This is the process of Gaur Premanand. Another things also, many things also coming, they are staying in the material world. The influence of Maya, Sattva, Raja, Tama gunas, they also disturb you. You want, but sometimes also disturb your mind. This is the nature. Maya, three gunas Maya. They are also creating this way. So for this you are saying, very quickly, go to Golok Vrindavan. If you stay in this material world, then Maya Devi will give always disturbance. You want good things, but Maya Devi will. So Arjuna asked, Kena Baladipi Niyajito, who by force to engage me to these things. And Kamu Iso Krudo Iso Rajoguno Samubha. The Maya is guna there. This Maya, this guna automatically creating this. What will do? Well, so you do bhajan and sadhan chant. Strong. Pray to Guru and Krishna. Maya re koriya joy chhadano na jai. Sadhu Guru Kripa Vina nahi ko upay. We cannot conquer to Maya. Need is what? Pray to Guru and Krishna. Gopinath Mamani Vedana Sona Ami Vishayi Durjana Sada Kamarata Kichunai Mora Guna Gopinath. This is the process also. Pray. Prarthana mula. This is very important. Daino Bodha Atmika Kirtan. The Kirtan should be always very humble. Some prarthana, some daino. Daino understand? Humility, daino. This. Then,
Farm Gurudev, Srila Bhaktivinoda Keshav Maharaj has one article called "The One Must Correctly Identify a Vaishnava." One must correctly identify a Vaishnava.
Identify.
And in this article, he says that ultimately the relationship with the Vaishnav is a bosom friendship. So how does that develop? It's very natural because in the beginning stage of meeting with Vaishnav, Sadhu is very elevated personality, we're very low. So much Aishwarya is there. So how does it go from Aishwarya to Madhurya that the friendship can develop?
No, first coming Oishwarya Bhav. Then slowly, Madhurya automatically come. First, that is called Vaidhi Bhakti, then Raganuga Bhakti automatically come. So Vishwanath Chakravarti will give an example as the leaves. Leaves when small leaves manifest. That is also two sides and close. What is called? Unfold. Folded. Then automatically what? Mature, then automatically unfold, open. Then upper side going to down, or down side going to up. So this is the process also. Look this. This is actual and coming this way. This is very rough or not? You have seen or not? The two sides is this way. Okay, this fold. When leaves and coming out, there is a fold. And both sides also very rough. This thing. When this is open, this is open, automatically open. Look. Then this is going down and this is going up. चिकनाई भाग ऊपर आ गया और रफ भाग नीचे चला गया. The smooth is coming up and this is going down. So saying this way, Vidhi Marga Ratajane Sadhinata Ratna Dane Rag Marge Korano Pravesh. This is the process of following the rules and regulations of the Shastra, doing bhajan and sadhan. Then slowly, automatically your Vaidhi Bhakti going down and Raganuga Bhakti come up. Raganuga Bhakti means that is called Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. As like Brajavasis. They make friendship with Krishna as like they are family member. So in the same way, when you think the pure devotee of Lord, you think he is my family's member, and automatically coming this. Actually, what is the meaning of family's member? What do you think? Tad dukhe dukitta, tad sukhe sukhitta. What did he say? Tad dukhe dukitta, tad sukhe sukhitta. And he is happy, then will be happy. Or he is unhappy, also will be unhappy. Tad dukhe dukitta, tad sukhe sukhitta. That is called the Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. This is the process of everything depends on solely according to your knowledge of relation, Samandhagyan. When your Samandhagyan will come, knowledge of relationship, then automatically you are everything coming out. This is the thing. Otherwise, not possible. This is the process. Krishna and Brajavasis, this is the relationship. Some their relationship with Sakha Bhav, some their relationship with Vatsala Bhav, some their relationship with Madhurya Bhav. Another thing also, everything you cannot by force do. That is spontaneously coming. This is the thing. Something natural coming also this way. For this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this verse. Juvati nang yathajuno junancho juvati yatha. Manoratho Juvati nang junancho yatha. Juvati nang this one. Juvati nang just Juvati nang as like the when youth is coming. then automatically his mind going towards the opposite way going. Juvati nang jatha juno junam jo juvati tadha. Mano me mat ramatam tai. This sloka is very important. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this verse. No one, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only recited this verse. Some verses Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself recited. Before no one recited this verse. This verse was direct recited by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, this is the mention, this is the indicate about Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga Bhakti is the symptom. Spontaneous. Here taking the things is what? Natural, spontaneously coming. Coming under this. This is the material example. Jivati nang jatha juno junanto jivati datha jatha. Mano bhimate. So mind always will be something. Natural. Savabhiki. This is saying. No one teach to each others. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited that the verse of what is called Saitya Darpan. The modern poet composed this verse. This verse also Mahaprabhu recited. Everybody's mind completely disturbed. But why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recited this verse? Other slope. Before married, that person, he was my beloved, lover and beloved. And now married, now is wife and husband relationship coming. But I am not happy with this life. My mind is always trying to return back. I'm going on this way. You understand this? Because Mahaprabhu, some slokas recited himself also. Going to us how to naturally come. What is called? Then Rupa Goswami Pad wrote that the same parallel verse, Priyo Soang Sachari Kurukshetre Melito, this sloka. What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Never. Yeah, too much people gathering, their mind disturbed. Yeah, they are looking for this another religion. Some people also envious. Where is coming this? Okay. And another thing is Ja Kaumara Hara. That's local thing. Mahaprabhu decided that. So that things I was saying, that is spontaneous. Some Raganuga Bhakti, that is called the Raganuga Bhakti is also one name is called Lobhamai Bhakti. Savabhiki Bhakti also. Savabhiki means spontaneous. It is coming in this way. You cannot by force to do this. According to previous sanskar, impressions are going. And this sanskar, two kinds of sanskar. One is called adhuniki sanskar, another is called praktaniki sanskar. Present impression. Now what you are doing, everything is also impressed your mind. That will be manifest in next birth. Understand? Wait. Previous life, what you did, that impression is going on this. Yeah. This is the thing. What good, bad, everything is what? Impressed in your heart, in your mind. Huh? So basically, so natural saying this. Okay. So Lokik Sadbandhavad Priti. Brajavasis, they have spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, and they make a relationship Krishna with their family member. A family member means this way. Tad dukhe dukkhitta, tad sukhe sukhitta. And if your son will become sick, also feel unhappy. This is coming or not? You are not sick. But if your son will sick, then you will become sick. Your mind disturbed. Well, why? Because the sambandha, the knowledge of relation, automatically in this. So in this way, Brajavasis, actual Brajavasis, they are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikara. And all they are the manifestation of Krishna's Sarvashakti Prakash. Sarvashakti, all these things. But this regard, they are spontaneous. Coming in this way. As like you play the, what is called? Veena. You touch the one string down, then automatically that, what is called? Vibration, taranga. Vibration going up to down. This is how doing this. So there are many examples as given in our Shastra. This is the process also. So do bhajan and sadhan, then will come this. But conditional soul first do bhajan and sadhan, Vaidhi Marga. Vidhi Marga, Rata Jane, Sadhinata, Ratna Dane, Rag Marge, Karano Pravesh. You cannot jump. They step by step. Do this. Understand?
How long will it take to reach the
Depend on the speed of your bhajan. How long take time? One person is going on the field. One part and another person, one farmer, he was plowing the field. Then he asked, hey, how long take time to station? How long take time to train station? Then 3-4 times he asked, but he did not give answer. Understand? Then that person become very angry. How is this gentleman? I asked, but he did not give answer. When that the person start to move, walk, that time that farmer he oh stop, I tell you. 3 times, 4 times asked, he did not give answer. Okay, after 5 minutes, you can reach the tent station. So I did not tell to me first time. But when you asked me that time, I saw your standing position. I did not see your speed of walk. In the same way. Nice example or not? So, how much take this thing? Everything depends on the speed of your bhajan and sadhana. This is true. And how much you chanting holy names? Every day chanting 1 lakh holy names, reading Shastra, listen Hari Katha. Then in this way procedure, then so,
About the past impressions and past samskaras, how much do they have an influence on our practices?
sanskar, impression. Yeah, sanskar is good. Then a good impression comes. You understand this? What kinds of sanskar? With the association with sadhu, listen Hari Katha, that's also impressed your heart. Yeah?
You said 70% of faculty sanskaras are affecting us now.
Huh?
70%?
No, that is Katha is another Katha. When the baby stay in the home, that is another Katha. We are not able to do. Now you are perform bhajan and sadhana. Bhajan and sadhana, or you do this. Sadhu Sangha, many things you are looking, many things you are thinking, but something also impressed automatically your mind. So for the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami Pad gave this example. Once one young girl, she came in the assembly of the sadhus. She does not know this is the sadhus or do nothing. Just she seated in the Harikatha assembly. She did not understand anything. Many also new people, they are coming, they do not understand. Had the glories of the association of Sadhu Sangha Mahima. Thus you are seated. Then suddenly Sadhu told one katha. You think Srimati Radhika is my girlfriend, Sakhi, but and this katha automatically impressed her mind. She did not listen anything, but listen, but not impressing. But this katha impressed. Last one. Then she returned back her home. In the day of Ekadasi, she was thinking, that the sadhu told me. The sadhu told in the Harikatha. You already think Srimati Radhika, she is my girlfriend. Then she also just thinking this. And in her mind, she embraced Srimati Radhika and dancing. Then after his death, she attended to Golok Vrindavan Dham and she also became the maid servant Srimati Radhika. Very simple. Sanskar coming this. Sadhus give the perfect impressions. When you will listen to many kathas. But which things you will impress, that is depend on you. Listen. You don't know. Something impressed you. And in open, that is when you take rest and sleep, and one by one the open out. That is called the dream also. Sometimes dream coming or not? Or the dream, actually there are many kinds of impressed your mind. And when you say that is and very quick also. It's very quick opening. Give an example, you are taking the photo, no? And how many also, what is called?
Yes.
Frames.
But if you take video, actually, there are many photos.
Many thousand, it's getting
Very fast.
very fast. It's getting this.
Per second.
Understand? In the same way, our brain and man. So many things are very quickly accept. But when you sleep, there's the dream. Sometimes you dream it's no legs and no tail. Because they are very quick. They going on this. So far they go. Also in this way, millions birth, many kinds of impression come.
So, what differentiates? Because, okay, we are many here now listening to Harikatha. And what will make the difference? Which sanskara each one of us will have? Because someone I think, okay, in that the example of this girl, many were listening to this Harikatha, but what impressed her is not the same. The impression is not the same. How
And this is about how much your mind is soft. Mind is also many stages also these are. Heart also different. Say Rupa Goswami, Pada Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain different stages of the heart also, mind also there. Hridaya, layers, different layers. And Ruksha, Diksha, many also. You see Chaitanya, what is it called? Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. And Ruksha, those are mind is very rough, not so easy to accept everything. And they explain in this way. What kinds of mind, everybody's mind is not same. And also many birth, many kinds of bad impression, good impressions going on this way. So for this way, clean. How to clean this is important. Always you are repeating Renouncing, chanting holy name. Then all your bad things will be. Bad and good, everything will go out. Only not bad things. Also, material, bad and good. Jod, bad and good. Everything will be clean. And you are thinking good things will come. No. Everything will be clean. Chalo. Cheto darpanam marjanam. And clean. Because in our heart, so many kinds of impressions. Man, buddhi, ahankar, chitta. Many kinds of cleaning. Chanting holy name. So saying in this way, Hindi song is saying this. Ram Nam ke sabun se jo dhoye. Ram Nam but Krishna Nam is as like soap. Then you clean. Then nirmal man se Ram darshan kare. Then when your heart will neat and clean, then reflection will come. Then you see to Lord. First you see to yourself and you see to the Lord. First you see yourself. Who are you? This is the person. This is coming. Then you realize, and who is Lord? पहले अपने को देखो. Understand? First you see yourself. Who are you? Then you see to others. जो अपने को देख नहीं पाते हैं, क्या है? आंख सबको देखता रहता है, क्योंकि हम आंख को देख नहीं पाते. We are looking with our eyes everything, but you cannot see your own eyes. This is your eyes doing this. Many things psychological this way going on this. Understand? So, and if anything enter in your eyes and creates evil, so much pain. Look this. So take out that thing. So in the same way, and first to clean your heart. How clean your heart? Chanting holy names. Mahaprabhu always giving the emphasis. Emphasis, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. But how to chant holy names? If you are not Sukriti, if you are not enough Sukriti, also taste will not come, chant holy names. What they saying? Collect Sukriti. Collect Sukriti. Serve Guru and Vaishnava. Then your Sukriti will mature, accumulated. Then automatically taste will come, chanting. Seva Vritti. servicing. Eh? But only servicing, not chanting holy names, also will not get any problem. Both simultaneous. Seva and Harinam. Harinam and Seva. One who is only servicing but not chanting holy names, or one who is only chanting holy names, not servicing, also get no force. Simultaneously, service and Harinam. Harinam service, both. This way. Otherwise you saying, Gurudev, Name Ache. You understand? Then Gurudev yesterday we told the holy names is all in all. Nam bina kalikali and nahi are dharma. In this Kali there are no other things than holy name. So I am chanting holy name. Name Actually, you cannot chant. If your Sukriti is not mature, you cannot chant holy names. Test will not come. Eh? This is the thing. Or when the Sukriti is mature and accumulated, then automatically test will come. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. So say, when you wake up early in the morning, chant holy names. Brahma Muhurta. That chanting holy names is very powerful. Because that time automatically mind, that is called Sattik mind. Hey. Or when sun rises, then automatically your mind is also Rajagun, then Tamasic gun coming. Eh? Because everything is related with the sunrise and sunset. Eh? Because we are in this material. Sun rises and sunset. Sattva, Raja, Tamaguna automatically are moving, no? Even this. When you wake up early in the morning, the mind is very calm and quiet. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Or when sun rises, then I do go to office, I do this. I am doer. Karta Abhiman, automatically. Then when sun sets, darkness coming, that time automatically you are saying, oh, I am very tired. Sleepiness coming or not? Oh, I am tired. This is it. So Sattva, Raja and Tamaguna, Maya, three gunas related with sunrise and sunset. Going on this, rotation. So best time is your Brahma Muhurta. For the Brahma Muhurta, Patadiya Prajaknath, Jastena Vrindavananatha Sakshat, Sevaiva Labha Jans Antayo, Bande Guru Sri Charanaru. And Vishwanath Chakravarti is the last verse. Sloka number 9. That is called Falasruti. What is it called? Falasruti of Gurvashtak. And 8 slokas glorify thee. And Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana, Kriya, everything is said. Our last verse, that is called Falasruti. Falasruti, understand? The fruit of relation. As like you listen Rasulullah Katha, there is, what is the Falasruti? What is the Falasruti? Hari Vikritang Vajude Idancha Vishnu, Shraddhaneto, Anusunnad, Varnedatha, Bhakting Parang Bhagavate Padirabhakam Hidrogam Asu Apahinati Achirinadi. This is called Falasruti. Listen of truth. But we listen, Rajtaka is coming. In the same way, the glorification of Gurvastaka, 8 slokas. And 9 slokas, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained the Falasruti, giving blessing. Jastena Binda Bananata Sakshat Sevaiva Labha Janusanta Eva. He's saying, when you give up this body, then you attend to Golok Vrindavan and you will become the Maidservant of Srimati Radhika. Jastena Vrindavananata Sakra Sevaiva Labho Janus Anta Eva. Janus Anta after giving up this body. Eh? Look at this. Giving blessings to everybody. Eh? Srimad Guru Astakam Padhaja Nittam. Brahma Murte Padhaja Nittam. Jastena Vrindavananata Sakra. Yeah, Jastena Vrindavananata Sakra. Vrindavananath. Krishna. You direct sadhu. Jastena Vrindavananata Sevaiva Labha Janus Anta. Very easy. But how do they? With Shraddha. Durvasta is very powerful. So every day we are reciting this Durvasta. Samsaradava Nalanira Loka Dhanaya Karuna Gana Ganayatam Tasya Kalyana Gunana Bhavasa Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Mahaprabhur Kirtananita Gita Badita Madana Manasarase Rumanjakam Pasutaram Bhajo Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Sri Vigrahara Sindaratana Niramajana Tashavaptamsa Nijanyatapi Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Chaturveda Sri Bhagavat Prasad Sadvana Tirtha Dhani Bhakta Sangha Chetaiva Tripti Bhajata Sadaiva Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Radhika Madhavayurapa Madhujalila Gunanupanam Dikshana Sadhana Brahmapasa Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Ayuna Rati Kelisita Ayani Yogira Pixaniya Asadi Raksha Rati Manabasa Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Haritrigana Samasta Shastri Uttasadava Vyakatena Itu Prabhuya Priyani Bhaktasa Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Prasada Bhagavat Prasada Yasa Prasada Nagati Gatopi And Suvanta Shastri Sangha Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam Madhuroda Sakavita Ruchi Ramimamurti Kakati Mayana Yasina Vindavana Namashamsa Srimayadavya Gurvasta, Vishnu Chakravarti Path. Very nice. It's very important all. Step by step. So sadhana, so is saying sadhana, what is it called? Asana Siddhi. Then what is it called? Mantra Siddhi. Then Sarup Siddhi. Bhav Siddhi. Bhav Siddhi, Sarup Siddhi, then Vastu Siddhi, then Parikar. Huh? Understand? Here saying this, okay, after give up this body, when you give up your body? When you come in the stage of bhav, that kind of thing. So Bhakti Thakur again singing, Dekhite, Dekhite, Bhari Baba Kabe, Nijasula Porishaya, Hare Nayane Heribo, Jopuro Shobha, Nitya Chidananda Maya. What is meaning of Dekhite, Dekhite? Perfect bhajan and sadhana. At least come in the stage of this siddhi, perfection of Sarup Siddhi. And then we should do. Slowly the different siddhi, perfection. Every day Jewel Sudha Heart was explained this step by step different siddhi also. First it was asana siddhi first need. When we do it, chant with mantra, which asana we are doing? Understand? So what this is asana siddhi. Those who are yogis, they are always sitting one asana, always. Asana siddhi. They are giving also, and power, shakti will come. And you do bhajan and sadhana, nothing, no problem. If you sit every day one asana, also some energy automatically comes. What would be the bhajan sadhana? And yogi is also the different asana also, that is called, Padmasana, this asana, this. Two kinds of asana. Sit every day, you can use one sit, asana. Also give the power come. And because every substance has own potency, shakti is there. You understand? So this first it is called asana siddhi. And asana two types of. One is sit, this asana, okay. Or another different asana, padmasana or different asana. The asana. So asana siddhi. Then mantra siddhi. Chant this mantra properly. Then perfection. And mantrartha chintanam. 5 stages. Nes mudra. Prapatti, Sarnagati, then Atmanivedana. This is the everything is starts to saying this step by step. Mantra siddhi. Then Bhav siddhi, you realize your transcendental mood. Then Sarup siddhi, you realize your own transcendental form. Who are you? This coming. Then after Sarup siddhi, then coming Vastu siddhi. After Vastu siddhi, then will become Parikar. This is the Parikar Baligan. This is the process of step by step. Vastu siddhi, when Krishna Prakadila is going on, that time we will take bath in there. Krishna, actually Jogmas we arrange. This is not your. Krishna will arrange. Jogmas will arrange. Understand this? And that time all the Sakhis, even Madhur Jaras, all the Sakhis, they will be also trained to you. Everything is also there. Understand? They will be admitted. You have to give the admission in the school. They will be training to you. Arupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu explain. How to speak, this, everything. Karna Karnikanang Sugijana Vijana Dutastati Prakriya. Third university, they will be give to instruction. And 5 subjects, they will be training to you. Understand this? Karna Karnyang Sakhanam Vijaneto Duti Stuti Prakriya. How to speak? Karna Karni means and whispering the and whispering. Only speaking to each other's ears, not listen others. There is Karna Karnyang Sakhineno Vijas Sakhineno Vijaneno Duti Stuti Prakriya. And how to glorify your Ishta Devi, Radha and Krishna. You have to stuti also this. They will give training to you. Everything. So Karna Karina Sakana Vijaneno Duti Stuti Prakriya. This is the duties of the Manjari Sakhis. Understand? Duti. Duti means messenger. They are going to. If Srimati Radhika did man, then Manjari the Sakhis, they also glorify to Krishna. And Gita Govindam saying, hey Radhe, give up your man. Look, now Krishna is there. So they glorify to Krishna. Or if Krishna, or if they are going to in front of Krishna, glorify to Srimati Radhika. This is the duties of the messenger. So messengers also, Duti is also two kinds. One is called Apta Duti and is called Sang Duti. Many kinds of Duti are. Duti means messenger. And Apta Duti, Sang Duti, this and this. So many kinds of this. So Sang. Karna Karnyang Sakhana Vijan Duti Stuti Prakriya. Then Pattu Vanchakam. How to cheat your husband. They give training to you. You don't know how to cheat your husband. But don't imitate. A big problem will come. You listen, then you think how to cheat my husband. No. And when you go there, now you are listen. Now it's theoretical. Don't do understand this way? Duti Stuti Prakriya and Pati Vanchakam. How to cheat your husband. Your Parakya Bhav is there. And how to act in front of your mother-in-law and father-in-law. And Badhirata. Badhirata, understand? Badhirata means deaf. They are speaking, and all your mother-in-law, father-in-laws, they are giving so nice advice to you. Just you act, pretend to listen. Badhirata. They are saying, but no, nothing enter in your ear. But you something, yes. But what you will do, you know this thing. Understand? They are saying, hey, you are my, what is called, new bride. Understand? Navavadhu. You understand? So always do this, follow these rules, this. Don't go out from the door. You have to stay this way. Always you cover your head with the veil. This. They are saying, yes. Not listening. Understand? Sometimes saying nothing. Listen anything, then you practice. You will not listen, how to practice. Yes. Gurudev told a disciple, hey, bring water. Disciple is sitting. Then Gurudev told, hey, bring water. Listen or not? Then disciple become very angry. Yes, Gurudev. I am not there. Listen. Then Gurudev told, no, you did not listen. How possible? So you were told, bring water. Gurudev, listen. Yes, I am listening. This is listen or not? When you not bring water, that is not the listen. So in the same way, the gopis, they listen all the good advice of their superiors, mother-in-law, father-in-law, They are saying di. Hey, di. But that's called Bhadirata. But another is giving lust. They are giving a very nice instruction. Always you have to be alert. When the fruit sound of the fruit of come. When the sound of fruit coming, then this is what Rupa Goswami Prabhupada explain, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. You listen or not? Everything was very nicely explained, jewels of the heart. Read or not? One chapter you have already explained it. A nice katha is Karna Karinang Vijana Vidu Dutistuti Prakriya. So, ears also open your ears. When the sound of the fruit of Govinda will come, then run. So, these types of 5 types of subjects, the Gopis, they will give the training to you. Everything trained. Then we will Vastu Siddhi. Actually, the stage of Vastu Siddhi, Krishna's Prakat Lila, all the Sakhis, they will give so many training is there. Understand? Even how to speak, how to sing, how to dance. Now we are dancing and singing. If you go in Golok Vrindavan, useless, only. Now we think, oh, you are very nice dancing, singing, these things.
We don't have to pay double.
Otherwise, they will be very, if I tell too much, those who are dancing, they will become very upset. Oh my God, they are saying this, how possible? So I am the same thing. No, you are practicing this good. But they will be also trained to you also. Understand? So Bhakti Mata will say, Paladase Kari Lalita Sundari Hamare Loiya Kabe Radhika Pade Kale Milaibe Agashe Basamar Pibe Agashe Basamar Pibe Agashe Basamar Pibe Hamare Loiya Kabe. What is the meaning of Agashe? Understand? 11th mood is there also. The one service that is called Aggan Seva is there. Nam, Roop, Gun, Riva, that is Aggan Seva is there. Everything is very, very confident, not so easy to understand. If I tell you, cannot understand. So step by step it comes. Sirupa Manjari Pade Sangita Sikhiva. What is it?
No, third verse.
Not second. What is it? Oh yeah. Sri Radhika Pade. Sirupa Manjari, second verse. Sirupa Manjari Sange Jabo Kavi Rasa Seva Siksha Tare Tadanuga Hoye Radha Kunda Tate. When will I go to Rupa Manjari to receive the instruction on Rasa field service, Rasa Seva? What is the Rasa Seva? How to speak with sweet, melodious words. Very nice, beautiful. And Alankarik Shabda. Alankarik, understand? And ornamental words. Rasmadhurja slokas. Words, how to speak. And this is the under guidance. Then I shall joyfully remain on the banks of Radha Kund. Slowly. How Rupa Manjari, she speaks very sweet, eloquent words. And charm the heart of all the Sakhis also. Understand? Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Nijana Kotere. The song. Nirjana Kutire, this have you or not? Here, this thing goes. Many goes it. रूप मंदिर धीरे धीरे आसी हमारी कोई भी कथो Hey Sakhi, what was doing here? This is not the place of meditation. अरे ध्यान फैन छोड़ो साक्षात you take darshan to direct and different couple of Radha and Krishna how they are meeting together. Yogi the dhyan, the yogis according to the meditation they cannot निर्विशेष ज्ञान ना पारे एकान स्थिति कैसे सिरूप मंजरी निशु मंजरी ने सिरूप मंजरी धीरे धीरे आसी कहिबे आमाय कत कि कर ये सखी बसिया हे था अरे ध्यान फैन छोड़ो निर्जन कुटीरे निर्जन कुटीरे श्री राधा चरणे स्मरणे थाकी मरत श्रीरूप मंजरी धीरे धीरे आसी कहिबे आमाय कत कहिबे आमाय कत कहिबे आमाय कत स्मरणे थाकी बरत বলিবে ও সখে কি কর বসিয়া দেখ বাহিরে আসি যুগল মিলন শোভানে রূপম হইবে চরণ দাসী হইবে চরণ দাসী হইবে চরণ দাসী सारसिका सिद्धि ब्रज गोपी धान परम चंचला सती जगिरे धायान निर्विशेष ज्ञान न पाए खाने स्थिति न पाए खाने स्थिति न पाय एखाने स्थिति परम चंचला सती वेरी नाइस साक्षाद दर्शन मध्यान लीलाय राधा पद सेवार्थिनी युगल जे सेवा कर जतने राधा चरणे धनी श्री राधा चरणे धनी श्री राधा चरणे धनी श्री राधा पद सेवार्थिनी श्री राधा पद सेवार्थिनी भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर कमल मंजरी 7th Goswami, Sapta Goswami. Before Bhaktivinoda Thakur, no one discussed this katha. High level this katha. You cannot imagine. Even Rupa Goswami Pad, what we did not sing the slok, Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his kirtan also manifest. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur he is called Saptam Goswami. Why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is called Saptam Goswami? 6 Goswami rule. But Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and what we said, incredible, no? And explain it. Which is not speak, he spoke. Look this thing. Our others Goswami little bit give some, what is it called? Hints. Our Rupa Goswami is Bhaktivinoda Thakur, openly. This look, this kirtan. Topmost. You cannot say other kirtan higher than the topmost. As because pick up the mountain. सिंह पर्वत के सिंगर के ऊपर कुछ नहीं. Understand? The pick up the mountain. What? I sing this song. Very nice. Prabhu Goswami is Harikal. Srila Nattam Das Thakur, and there's Kirtan recorded. But when we read Bhakti Vinod Thakur, for this regard, Bhakti Vinod Thakur pranam mantra is Sachidananda Harikal. Namo Vishnu Padaya, Namo Bhakti Vinodaya, Sachidananda Nam. Gaura Shakti, Sarupa, Rupanuga Varayati. Rupanuga Vaishnava. And same mode of Goswami. And with more and more. Topmost. Brahmani sister. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur Kirtan is. Bolo Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai jai. What is it?
All the songs.
और Bhaktivinoda Thakur की जय. वाह. Bhaktivinoda Thakur जय. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Okay. Because at that time, Bhaktivinoda, so many also, Swaja, Soki, Veki comes. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very chastised. And he explained this. Even the our bowl, Bhaktivinoda Thakur gives his own also the bowl. Baul Sampradaya. He also chastised the Baul Sampradaya. So, Bhaktivinoda Thakur ki jai. So now time is over. Chalo, take.
Another question.
Oh.
We are doing with the Chilean devotees these lectures about the rules of the heart, and in one class, one question appeared because we were reading the part about Laoyang. It was super important. So Laoyang is
Low. Okay.
but then I thought the Gurudev always says about Sraddha. And I thought, but what is most important? What do we need to develop for spiritual life in perfection? What is first, Sraddha or Laoyang? What should we have more faith or more eagerness?
The first Shraddha is important. Lobhamay Bhakti, that is Raganuga Bhakti, one name is called also Lobhamay Bhakti. Greed. The greed is coming from your past impressions. Past impression coming also Sadhu Sangha. Without Sadhu Sangha, how possible greed will come? There is anyhow is coming this way. But when it is Shraddha is important. So saying there, namely Shraddhavan Jan Han Bhakti Adhikari, who is qualified to practice devotional service, who has Shraddha. Shraddha means faith. But different types of Shraddha. Main Shraddha, that is called Atantiki Shraddha. Unflinching faith. That is called Atantiki Shraddha. For this guy, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he wrote this Grantha, Bhakti Tattva Vivek. Read or not? You have Bhakti Tattva Vivek. Use these words, these Atantiki Shraddha, unflinching faith. Do or die. Unflinching faith. This is very important. Shraddha, this is called our foundation of practice, devotion, service to Lord. Vaidhi Bhakti or Raganuga Bhakti. Both bhaktis is what? Foundation, this is called Shraddha. Shraddhavan Jan Han Bhakti Adhikari. It is simple. And who is qualified to practice bhakti? Who has Shraddha? Faith. Understand? Shraddhastu, so for this regard, topmost definition about Shraddha is Shraddhastu ananno payo varjanam bhaktin mukhi chitta vritti vishesha. Jiva Goswami Pad explained this. Shraddhastu ananno, give up all kinds of process, karma, jnana, yoga, tapas. Only if I practice doing service to Lord Krishna, then my life will be successful. So this is Ananno payo varjanam bhakti unmukhi chitta vritti. Here the bhakti unmukhi chitta vritti. So saying this way. Shraddhastu ananno payo varjanam bhakti unmukhi chitta vritti vishesh. So Shraddha is very important. If you know Shraddha, how to greed will come. If you have no foundation, how to build the big palace? And we build the palace, then any time will be fall down, collapse. Finish. So give intent, Shraddha. Sukriti, Shraddha. Jai, Jai.